Hey friends, welcome back to Bosi Eats. Today we're making soft flaky chapatis, one of my favorite comfort foods. You know, perfecting chapatis takes time. It's a lot of trial and error. And I've been making chapatis ever since I started dating my husband about 7 years ago. I was curious about his culture and the dishes, and besides, who doesn't love eating chapatis? See, at first, my circles were far from perfect, but I was determined to learn. And over a time, I realized something very important. Chapati seal shape, the taste. It's not about how it looks. It's about that soft, flavorful bite that hits just right. Let's start by heating 2.5 cups of water. Add sugar and salt, then give it a quick taste. You want that perfect balance, slightly sweet and salty, so your chapati doesn't turn out dull. Salt brings out the flavor, and the sugar adds that soft golden finish. Pour your warm water into a stand mixer with a dough hook. Gradually add your flour 1 cup at a time. Once the dough starts to form, add your oil and keep mixing. It should be soft and a little sticky, but still pull away from the sides of the bowl. Cover and let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. This is where the magic happens. That resting time helps the gluten relax, gives you soft, stretchy dough that's easy to roll out later. After resting, move your dough to a lightly floured surface. Knead it for about 5 minutes, just until it feels smooth and bouncy, then divide it into 2 equal pieces. You're going to keep one covered with cling wrap while you work with the other. Roll your dough into a large circle, about the size of a medium pizza. You're going to spread butter or oil evenly over the surface, then roll it up lengthwise like a cigar. This is how we build those soft, flaky layers. Cut the roll into 2 to 3 inch pieces. You should get around 9 to 10 small rolls. Tuck each end under to form a small dough balls and keep them covered to prevent drying. Now, on a lightly floured surface, take one dough ball at a time and roll it out into a circle about 8 inches wide. Don't stress if it's not perfectly round. Remember, chapati seal shape, ni taste. What matters most is that texture, soft on the inside, golden and flaky on the outside. Heat your tawa or skillet on medium. Place your first chapati on the pan with some oil. Once it starts to puff, add a little bit of oil and flip. Cook until both sides are beautifully golden. Keep them warm in a clean kitchen towel while you finish the rest. And that's it. Soft, buttery chapatis that pair perfectly with stew, curry, or a hot cup of tea. Each one tells a story of patience, love, and flavor. So if yours aren't perfectly round yet, don't worry. Keep practicing, keep tasting, and remember, chapati seal shape, ni taste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Kenyan and Jamaican fusion dishes right here on Bosi Eats.